All right. Randy Reviews live at the guitar shop. I got the new guitar shop ice maker here. The Newair 30-pound capacity ice maker. Look at that. That's stainless steel. Runs off of 120 volts and does not require water to be hooked up to the back of it, which is the big selling feature for me here. But it is an option if you want to do it. All right, so, yep.
Starting from left to right, this is on and working right now, and when it's a solid cube, it's making ice. The next button is, if you hit the clean button, it'll go into cleaning mode and that will light up. This is the power on and off. This will light up when it needs water, and this will light up when the hopper is filled with ice, which it's getting pretty close right now.
And that one can make up to 30 pounds of ice in a day. Does it comes with that scoop?
It comes with the scoop.
Comes with an ice scoop with those little nuggets?
Yeah, and it's kind of like the ice you get it at, like, I don't know what are some of these places. It's not real hard, it's nice.
Yeah, look at that. That is pretty nice.
It's really nice, easy to chew.
So how do you use it?
Basically, you just pull the pull the basket out.
Okay.
And in the hopper down below there, you can see there is a max line here, and you just fill it. You can see the water in the bottom there.
Okay.
So you fill the water up to the max line, turn it on, and you're good to go.
And
when it's done, it does not refrigerate, so it'll keep this cold because it's insulated, but it does not refrigerate it. But since when it melts, it goes down into the hopper and it'll make more.
so you could shut it off in theory, and the ice that's in there will melt, and you could use it to make ice the next time. Now, if I were to start from scratch, I just filled it up from water, I just plugged it in the first time, how quickly does it make ice?
Within 10 minutes, you'll start seeing it making cubes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, this is pretty awesome. So this is the 30-pound ice maker from Newair. Looks good too.